The emotional power of populist rhetoric. Populist rhetoric often appeals to emotions rather than reason. Its entire aim is to create strong feelings of anger or hope in its audience. This emotional appeal can be a powerful tool for mobilizing support and pushing people into political action. It can also bypass critical thinking and create a sense of urgency or crisis. Populist leaders often use vivid imagery and storytelling to create an emotional connection with their audience. They paint a picture of nation in decline, threatened by external forces or internal enemies. They also offer a vision for a brighter future, one that can be achieved through collective action and a rejection of the status quo. This emotional appeal can be particularly effective in times of economic hardship or social upheaval when people are looking for simple explanations and quick solutions. Polarization and the politics of division. Populist rhetoric often strives on polarization and the politics of division. It creates a stark contrast between us, the people, and them, the elite, the establishment, or some other outgroup. This us versus them mentality can be a powerful motivator. It creates a sense of solidarity among supporters and fuels resentment towards those perceived as opponents. Populist leaders might even use divisive language to demonize their opponents. They can portray them as corrupt or even traitorous. They also exploit existing social divisions, such as those based on class, gender, race, or religion, to further polarize society. This can create a toxic political climate which makes compromise and cooperation more difficult. The role of media in amplifying populist rhetoric. The media plays a very important role in amplifying populist rhetoric. With everyone on social media, populist messages can spread rapidly and widely, and they quickly reach a vast audience and shape public discourse. Social media platforms can also create echo chambers where people are exposed only to information that confirms their existing beliefs. This further reinforces polarization. Traditional media outlets also play a role in amplifying populist rhetoric. Some outlets may give disproportionate coverage to populist leaders and movements, either out of a desire for ratings or because they share similar ideological leanings. This can normalize extremist views and make them seem more mainstream. The dangers of populist rhetoric. Populist rhetoric can also be used to justify authoritarian measures. Populist leaders portray themselves as the sole representatives of the people's will. They can then claim that they have the right to bypass democratic norms and procedures. This can lead to the erosion of checks and balances and the suppression of dissent. Conclusion. Populist rhetoric can be a powerful tool for political mobilization, but it can also be a dangerous weapon of division and manipulation. It is necessary to be aware of the power of language and to critically evaluate the messages we encounter in the political arena.